In this video, we are going to talk about offering your subscribers gifts to increase engagement. A free gift is a great way to entice a new subscriber to sign up for your email list. It's also a great way to increase engagement, because who doesn't like getting gifts? The important thing about offering a gift is that it should be useful, valuable, and the same quality as the products or services you offer. If it's lesser in value, they may think it's an example of the type of work you do and never buy your products or services. If you're serious about getting more subscribers and ultimately customers, then your gift needs to be an example of what your audience can expect to receive when they make a purchase. Never make your gift something that you must produce separately for each person. That would be too difficult and take too long. You want it to ideally only cost you something to produce one time. What types of free gifts can you offer? An ebook. This is a great gift to give away, especially if you use one you normally sell so that it has a perceived value to the visitor. If it's something you normally sell on your website or elsewhere, then the visitor feels a lot of incentive to get the free item. Software. If you create any type of downloadable tools, software, plugins, or apps, or have permission through private label rights to use them as freebie giveaways, and it's something very useful for your audience, this is another really great free gift to give your subscribers. This works best if the freebie is something your audience can use in conjunction with your products or services. A report. A report is just a short ebook that is more focused on solving one problem, instead of an overall how-to like a book would be. If you had a website about vegetarianism, you could, for instance, offer a free pantry check sheet, conversion, or substitution chart for your readers to use.